Hi friends, welcome to Sewing is Fun. So in today's video I am going to show you the easiest method to add placket in your kurti or any top. So first you need to draw a straight line in the center of your neckline. You can make as much long you want your placket to be. Just draw that much line with the help of chalk, fabric chalk, and then you need to cut two folded strips. The length of both the folded strips should be half inches longer than the straight line you had drawn for your placket. Now put both these strips together on top of each other like this, and that is a tricky part, that both the strips should be opened in the opposite directions. Like one should be open in the left and another should be open in the right direction. Now you need to join those strips. So for that, just give a straight stitch here in the center like this, and after stitching it should look like this. Now where you had drawn the straight line, just give a straight cut and then two diagonal cuts in both the sides like this. So both your cuts should look like this in a triangular pattern. And now you need to put this both the two strips inside out like this, and now take one strip and take its open side and put your kurti's fabric inside that like this, and give a press if you want with the help of your nails, and then just give a straight stitch, a top stitch like this. By using this method you will get a very neat and clean placket. So just give a stitch till the end, and now do the same with the other placket too. Just open the fold and put the fabric inside and give a top stitch like this till the end. Once you will understand this method, you will always use this method only to make up plackets. Now after giving the stitch till the end, just give another top stitch in the side and make a L-shaped stitch like this, and you are done with your placket. I hope you got this video. If you have any confusion, just comment down below. I'll answer all your questions, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.